By the end of this video, you will know how to install an indicator in eToro. Start by searching for the asset you want to work with, then open its page. This could be a stock, a currency pair, a commodity, or another market available in your account. The main goal here is to get to the asset view where eToro shows the available details and chart tools. If you are browsing from a watch list or from the search bar, select the asset name and wait for its page to load fully before moving on. Once the asset page is open, look for the Chart tab and click it. This switches you from the overview of the asset to the price chart, which is where indicators can be applied. If the page includes several tabs, make sure you choose Chart and not a related section such as News or Analysis. The chart area needs to be visible before the indicator options will appear in the right place. With the chart open, move to the chart toolbar and find the indicators icon. Click that icon to open the indicator menu. This menu is where eToro groups the available chart indicators. Depending on your screen size, the toolbar may appear slightly different, but the indicators option will still be part of the chart controls. If the menu does not open right away, click the icon once more and give the platform a moment to respond. When the indicator panel appears, use the search field to find the indicator you want to use. Enter the name of the indicator and look through the matching results. This is useful when the list contains many options and you want to go directly to a specific one. Make sure you select the indicator you actually intend to add, since some names can look similar at a glance. After you find the correct indicator, click its name. eToro will add it to the chart immediately. You should see it appear either over the main price chart or in a separate panel below it, depending on the type of indicator you selected. At this point, the indicator is installed on the chart and ready to use in its current default setup. If you want to change how the indicator behaves or how it appears, look for the gear icon beside that indicator. Click the gear icon to open its settings. From there, you can adjust the available options for that indicator. The exact settings will depend on which indicator you added, so focus on the values and display choices shown in that settings window. After making your changes, the chart will reflect the updated settings for that indicator. Your selected indicator is now added to the eToro chart with its settings adjusted.